Mogadishu, the white pearl of the Indian Ocean. Estimated runtime, 3 to 4 minutes. Tone, cinematic, educational, and engaging. Intro, the forgotten metropolis. Visuals, cinematic, sweeping drone footage over modern Mogadishu's coastline. Blue waves crashing against old, sun-bleached, white stone buildings. Transition to rapid-fire historical maps and sketches of the Horn of Africa. Audio, SFX. Sound of ocean waves, slowly blending into an ambient, rhythmic traditional Somali drum beat or oud melody. Onarator vol. Today, the name Mogadishu often conjures images of 21st century conflict. But long before the headlines, this city was known across the world by another name, the white pearl of the Indian Ocean. For centuries, it was a dazzling, wealthy medieval metropolis that anchored global trade. This is the story of Mogadishu, a city that rose, fell, and is now rising again. Act 1. The Golden Age of Trade. Visuals. Pan over historic sketches or artistic renderings of medieval dhow ships sailing across the Indian Ocean. Cut to close-up macro shots of ancient coins or close-ups of complex woven textiles to represent turbinator. Audio, SFX. Music swells, lively, upbeat, combining traditional African rhythms with Middle Eastern undertones. Onarator vol. Our story begins in the 10th century. Ideally positioned on the Benadir coast, Mogadishu emerged as a powerful merchant city-state. It wasn't just a port, it was a global hub. Under its own sovereign sultanate, the city minted its own currency and dominated trade routes linking Africa, Arabia, Persia, and China. When the legendary explorer Ibn Battuta arrived in 1331, he was stunned. He documented a city of enormous size, filled with immensely wealthy merchants, massive herds of livestock, and unparalleled luxury. Mogadishu's signature textile, turbinator, was so highly prized it was exported to the palaces of Egypt and across Europe. Act 2. The Clash of Empires. Visuals. Maps showing the expansion of the Ajuran Empire along the Somali coast. Show illustrations of 16th century Portuguese warships contrasted with Somali coastal defensive watchtowers. Cut to historical 19th century photographs of Italian colonial architecture alongside old Islamic landmarks. Audio, SFX. Music shifts to a more tense, dramatic orchestral track. The sound of cannon fire or wind over the ocean. Onarator vol. A wealth like this attracts empires. By the 15th century, Mogadishu aligned with the powerful Somali Ajuran Empire, forming a defensive shield that successfully repelled Portuguese invaders looking to dominate the Indian Ocean. But the tides of global power eventually shifted. By the late 19th century, the Sultan of Zanzibar exerted control over the coast, until 1889, when Italy leased and later purchased the city. Mogadishu became the capital of Italian Somaliland. The colonial powers carved wide boulevards and built European villas right alongside 13th century mosques, fundamentally altering the city's architectural footprint. Act 3. From Paradise to Dust and Back. Visuals. Archival footage of July 1st, 1960. Somali flags waving, crowds celebrating independence. Show vibrant, colorful 1970s footage of a cosmopolitan Mogadishu. Tourists on beaches, jazz clubs, bustling markets. Then a stark, sudden transition to gritty, weathered footage of ruined buildings from the 1990 Civil War era. Audio, SFX. Upbeat 1970s Somali funk or jazz music suddenly cuts out into static. A somber, low cello or ambient synth drone takes over. Onarator vol. Independence came in 1960. For nearly 3 decades, Mogadishu was paradise. It was a thriving, cosmopolitan capital of culture, tourism, and education. But in 1991, the collapse of the central government plunged the nation into a brutal civil war. The White Pearl was fragmented by warlords and later gripped by extremist factions. For 20 years, its beautiful historic quarters were reduced to a front line. Outro, the return of the Pearl. Visuals, montage of fast-paced modern recovery. Construction workers pouring concrete, glass skyscrapers rising next to old archways, busy open-air markets, and families enjoying the beaches of Lido. Finish with a gorgeous sunset shot over the harbor. Audio, SFX. Music builds into an inspiring, uplifting, and triumphant modern cinematic theme. O narrator voz. But Mogadishu's defining characteristic has always been its resilience. Since 2011, when security forces pushed major extremist groups out of the city center, an economic renaissance has been underway. Diasporas are returning, new businesses are opening daily, and modern skyscrapers are rising directly from the ruins. Mogadishu is a survivor, and it is steadily reclaiming its rightful place as a vibrant, historic jewel of the Indian Ocean.